have always had a very intense fear of flying, which Meghan knows very well. But when your best friend says she's getting married in Colorado, you get your ass on that plane and you go to Colorado.
My parents have always told me that the key to a successful marriage is to marry your best friend. So all I've wanted my entire life was to find that person. My person.
Deep breath, gonna take the first step. So now here we go.
Meghan, I promise to be there for you through the peaks and valleys that a lifetime together will surely bring. I promise to give you my all, no matter what twist or turn comes our way. When I asked your father for your hand, he said, just know that this isn't something that you try to do. You're either in or you're out. Well, count me in.
We won't be the same. Oh, it's a perfect moment in time, and I'm holding on for the ride. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive.
But no matter what changes in our world, I promise to always put our friendship, marriage, and love above all else, supporting you and choosing us through all of life's ups and downs. I promise to love you as you are with my whole heart for my whole life.
Meghan and Jason, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
It's a perfect moment in time, and I'm holding on for the ride. I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so.
When you said your vows, that's all anybody in this room needed to see. Everybody here knows it's the right thing.
I've waited all of my life. I've never felt so alive. I've never felt so alive.
They say love is patient and love is kind. So Jason, be patient.